How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill is a comprehensive guide to understanding the stock market and investing strategies. The book outlines a specific system called CANSLIM, which stands for 1. Current quarterly earnings. 2. Annual earnings increases. 3. New products, new management, new highs. 4. Supply and demand. 5. Leader or laggard. 6. Institutional sponsorship. 7. Market direction. Here is a step-by-step summary of the key lessons from the book. Lesson 1. Understand the CANSLIM strategy. Current quarterly earnings. Look for companies with significant earnings growth in recent quarters. Annual earnings increases. Choose stocks with strong and consistent annual earnings growth over the past few years. New products, new management, new highs. Invest in companies introducing innovative products or experiencing positive changes, such as new management or stock price highs. Supply and demand. Focus on stocks with high trading volumes, indicating strong investor interest. Leader or laggard. Invest in market leaders in their respective industries, not the laggards. Institutional sponsorship. Prefer stocks with ownership by large institutions like mutual funds and pensions. Market direction. Analyze overall market trends to align your investments with the market's direction. Lesson 2. Identify the right stocks. Use stock screening tools to filter stocks based on the CANSLIM criteria. Study stock charts to identify patterns and trends that match the CANSLIM model. Lesson 3. Analyze stock charts. Learn to read and interpret stock charts, focusing on price movements and volume. Recognize patterns such as cup with handle, double bottoms, and flat basis, which indicate potential buying opportunities. Lesson 4. Time your purchases. Buy stocks at the right time, ideally when they break out of a sound chart pattern on high volume. Avoid buying stocks that are extended beyond their ideal buy points. Lesson 5. Manage your portfolio. Diversify your investments across different sectors to mitigate risk. Limit the number of stocks in your portfolio to a manageable number, ensuring you can closely monitor each one. Lesson 6. Set and stick to sell rules. Establish clear sell rules to protect your profits and minimize losses. Consider selling when a stock falls 7 to 8% below its purchase price to prevent larger losses. Take profits progressively, selling portions of your holdings as the stock price rises. Lesson 7. Monitor market conditions. Stay informed about the overall market trend, which can significantly impact individual stock performance. Use market indicators like the 200-day moving average to gauge the market's direction. Lesson 8. Learn from mistakes. Review your trades regularly to identify mistakes and learn from them. Keep a trading journal to document your investment decisions and their outcomes. Lesson 9. Continue education. Stay updated with financial news, stock market trends, and new investment strategies. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial analysts to broaden your knowledge. Lesson 10. Maintain discipline and patience. Stick to your investment strategy, even during market volatility. Be patient and give your investments time to grow, avoiding impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. By following these steps and adhering to the CANSLIM strategy, investors can enhance their chances of making profitable investments in the stock market.